Good day to you all. Our alphabet is made up of 26 letters. Of the 26, 5 are vowels. Each vowel has two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. The short sound for I is E as in ink, and the long sound spells its name I. Today we are going to look at letter combinations for long I sound. I sounds I in these words: bite, 5, kite, might, and sight. Here are the sentences. I had only one bite of the apple. My mother bought 5 apples. The kite was blown away by the wind. I saw a mite on my tomato plant. The builders met at the construction site. IE sounds I in these words: die, dried, cried, pie, and tie. And the sentence is, we will all die eventually. I dried my washing in the open. The baby cried for milk. She will have a pie for lunch. My father wore a tie to complement his suit. IGH sounds I in these words: high, fight, light, side, and tight. Here are the sentences. The plane was high in the sky. The boxers are set to fight on New Year's Eve. We switch on the light when it gets dark. When the lost baby was found, we sighed with relief. I am working on a tight schedule. Y sounds I in these words: dry, fly, fry, sky, and try. And the sentences: I always dry my washing in the open. Birds fly after insects. We will fry eggs for breakfast. The sky is clear today. I will try my new recipe tomorrow.